This last song is about moving on in life. Finally got the car I've been waiting my whole life. Feels like I've more than paid the price. 3,000 miles away, west of New York, and yellow cabs that sleep the subway train. During the rain or night, it's my time, it's my only time to shine. Don't let it fall on me now, it's my time, it's my only time to shine. Finally see the light at the end of this road, even if there's many miles to go. 3,000 miles away, but only counting the time and the headlights on the highway mile. Going away on me now, it's my time, it's my only time to shine. Going on me now, it's my time, it's my only time to shine. Na, na, na. Going away now, it's my time, it's my time to shine. Gonna follow me now, it's my time, it's my time to shine. Did you ever believe to hit your heart when it's cold? Did you ever believe to maybe do what you told? Did you ever believe that she would say, hey, talking to me, we don't go together. I'm loving for free, get through any weather. When I shine, when I shine. Did you ever believe, you know you ever desire? Did you ever believe to heat your heart with a fire? Did you ever believe that she would say, don't talk to me, we don't go together. I'm loving for free.